Hey BZBGEAR fans, my name is Matt Richards with BZBGEAR here at the 8K Association booth at CEDIA Expo 2024. We have a great announcement to make. Courtesy of Twice Publications, our BG-AIR4KAST is now a best of 2024 for CEDIA Expo. Now, what do you need to know about these devices? This is a pair of transmitter and receiver, and these are going to allow you to broadcast 4K at 60 hertz wirelessly. So these just need to see each other. You get up to 164 feet of distance on your run for the wireless transmission, and you're going to get 4K at 60 hertz. So what would you use these for? Pretty much anything that you want, whether that's watching movies, sending TV signals from one room to another, or even conferencing and gaming. These have very low latency, so if you want to game on them, you absolutely can. So if you're in the market for something like a BG-AIR4KAST where you want to have wireless transmission of your 4K signals, you really need to pick one of these up from BZBGEAR.